Hey, Kenna-Marie.
Hey!
You know I'm training for the Olympics, right?
Oh, no way!
Oh yeah, I'm going to do the endurance competitions, so I really need to find out a way to increase my cardiac output.
What's cardiac output?
Cardiac output? It's your stroke volume times your heart rate.
Oh, I've heard about that. I heard about it in lecture.
Okay.
Well, there is this thing that I heard about.
Really? What's it called?
Well, it's called blood doping, but it's kind of frowned upon in the Olympics, so shh.
You think I get caught?
I don't know. There's ways to get around it.
So how do we start this process?
Well, first you need to increase your hematocrit.
Is the hematocrit the count of red blood cells in your body?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so where do we start to increase our red blood cell count at?
Well, there's this protein called erythropoietin, and it is naturally produced in the body by the kidneys.
By the kidneys, okay.
Yeah, so once it's produced in the kidneys, it goes to the bone and into the bone marrow where it stimulates the production of red blood cells.
So you have erythropoietin, and then you have bone marrow, and then you have stimulation of red blood cell development.
Exactly.
Awesome. So how does this all play into the fact of helping me win that gold medal?
Well, more red blood cells means...
More hemoglobin.
Exactly, and more hemoglobin means more oxygen moving through your body.
So your muscles get more nutrients. If you have more nutrients and oxygen delivery to your muscles, then how do you get more erythropoietin in the first place?
Well, you can inject erythropoietin, a man-made version, into your body, and from there it will go to your bones and then into the bone marrow and produce the more red blood cells.
Okay, so if we have more red blood cells, then our blood is more viscous, so it's thicker, has more resistance, more drag. So overall, blood doping sounds like it could have its negative effects. Hey, I actually did some research. I found out blood doping's not for me.
Oh, really? Why?
Well, there's actually some negative adverse effects to it, such as increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and blood clots. And with an increased chance of blood clotting when it's not supposed to, you can cause what's called an embolus to form. And when the embolus gets moved around in your arteries and your blood vessels, it can cause a blockage, which leads to your stroke.
Oh, so it's like this? So in a blood vessel, like this one, an embolus forms, and it runs into a split in the blood vessel, and it blocks the flow of blood down the vessel, forcing it to go around the vessel.
Yeah, the embolism looks just like that.
Okay.
So, after looking at all the negative effects and stuff from blood doping, I think I'm just going to try and train pretty hard and get ready for the next Olympics in 4 years. So
Awesome. Sounds good. Glad I could help.
awesome. Yeah, I really appreciate your help, Kenna-Marie.